And we'll begin with Rick Jasper speaking first.
I just spent the last 4 days with 1,000 kids at 4-H camp. So forgive me a little bit. But I'm Rick Jaspers. I'm asking for your vote in the Republican primary that's coming up this July. I began my raising in East Tennessee in a conservative, hardworking area just like the 12th District. As your representative in the Georgia House of Representatives, you're guaranteed that you, the people, will have my undivided attention as your representative. As I grew up, my parents worked hard to teach me many lessons that I've also tried to teach my children in faith in God, personal responsibility, thrift, honesty, conservatism, and service. They're the basis of who I am and who I'll be as your representative. As you select a person to be your representative, you've got to know there are many, many issues they'll look at. Vast 1,000 bills are brought in each year. I want to let you know that I'll look at each bill very carefully and evaluate them similarly, as Tom Graves did in the House. I'll look at them to make sure that they're right for the 12th District. I'll make sure that they're going to reduce government, they're going to inspire for personal responsibility, guard for liberty and justice, they'll be constitutional, and they'll turn back taxes. I spent my adult life working for people in this region as a county agent in Pickens County, and I want to continue to do so as your state representative. The job experience I have had is to solve problems, large and small, with common sense economical solutions. I know how important it is to listen and follow through, and listen to you, the people, because you're who elected me to do this great job. As your current state representative, I asked to be on 3 committees that are important to this area: agriculture, environmental, economic development, and game, fish, and parks. I'm a Christian, attend the First Baptist Church in Jasper, got a beautiful wife named Marcia, and a dog named Ranger. Thank you.